It's Edward Roski, and I'm asking good questions. So why did the RAM in your next laptop triple in price? A 32 gigabyte memory kit that used to go for about $95 now runs anywhere from 3 to 600, and the price of technology normally gets cheaper over time, especially if it's the same chips in the same factories and nothing inside the part has actually changed. The reason is actually to be found in AI data centers. AI accelerators run on a premium memory called HBM, and a single gigabyte of it can eat 4 times the factory space of the ordinary RAM in your computer. So Samsung, SK Hynix, Micron, they make more than 95% of the world's memory, and they have been quietly aiming their factories at the version that makes them more money. So Micron even shut down Crucial, which is its own consumer brand. That's the one that used to keep everybody's prices honest. So thanks to Unibetter for this really handy chart. Why is RAM more expensive? Simply, it's because the memory makers would rather sell to AI companies than to you. Data centers are on track to swallow roughly 70% of all the memory made on Earth this year. Gartner even coined a term for the damage it's doing to your wallet. They're calling it memflation. They expect a typical PC to cost 17% more for the same power by the end of 2026. And they said the sub $500 laptop will simply stop existing by 2028. My very first computer was a VIC 20. I think it was called a 20 because it had 20K of RAM. Boy, those were the days. So, 9 trade groups, which are the people who sell you cars and phones and groceries, they started worrying this was going to impact consumer devices. So, they wrote to the US Treasury asking Washington to step in. Their exact phrase was this would cause significant and sustained price increases for American households. So, we spent 3 years worrying about AI taking our jobs. And the first real bill is showing up on your Best Buy receipts. It's kind of weird that the data centers and I were fighting over the same shopping cart of stuff all along. Well, if the opening invoice for the AI boom lands on the receipt for your next laptop, what invoice is it coming for next? If you found this quick and helpful, please subscribe. But until next time, keep asking good questions.